Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage inventory on Shopify store. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click here on the product section at the left side of our screen. And from here you would see a bunch of options right here at the bottom of it. So you can see the inventory right here, so you want to click on it right here. And once you have done it, then you would be now in the inventory section of your products. So from here you can see all the products that you have and the variants that you have for them. So as you can see, I have this only one product right here, and you can see the variant right here. This is small red, small yellow, small black. It's sorted by size right here, but you can also sort it by SKU, committed or available or on hand. You can also use this button right here to sort your products right here, or you can do it Z to A in terms of name, or A to Z. And from here, this one is a search and filter right here. So from here you can search all throughout your inventory. So assuming that you have a lot of products here in Shopify, so you can just search it right here. So for example, I type red, then it would show me all the red products that I have right here, as you can see, because this is variant red. But if your product has a red in its name, then it would also show up right here, because it is searching based on the name that is written or typed right here in your title. It could also be like that. And from here we also have the export and import button. So for the export, you can export this as a CSV for Excel or whatever you prefer. Right here you can export it in all variants, or the quantity type right here. It depends on your preference. And the import button is obviously you can import it by dragging it here, or you can click here on add file, and you would be able to choose your files right here. And as you can see, it's like this one. And now let's go back, and you could also view your products right here in case that you want to view all your products right here, because if you click on this one, it will just bring you up here to the product section right here. And as you can see, this is the product section, so it will just bring you there, because the inventory section will show you all the products and its variants, and it might be a lot for you to see. So if you want to see just the products, then you can go here in the product section. And now let's proceed into the editing the details for our products. So if you want to go for SKU right here, then you can just edit it here in the products if you want to edit this SKU. And you can of course change the value for committed right here for the available and on hand. So you can just change it. For example, I'll change it to 55 right here, and I'm gonna click on save, and then it will be successfully updated right there. So if you just want to add a quantity right here, for example, this is 55, and if I'm gonna click this button right here, it will say adjust by. So if I put 5 right there, it would be 60 right here. So basically this is just a addition button, and you could also add a reason right there. And after that's done, then you could also edit or save it first. You could also edit this, or yeah, there's still a lot that you can edit right here, or you could also bulk edit right here if you'd want to, if you don't want to do it manually, or update quantities, create transfer, and create purchase order. And yeah, the inventory function in Shopify is very simple. So if you want to learn more, you can go also here at the bottom. It says managing inventory, and if you open it in a new tab, you will be able to read it right here. You can set up inventory tracking, view your inventory, and adjust your inventory levels in the inventory area of Shopify. And you can track the history and the variants that is being tracked over Shopify. You can analyze changes to inventory levels in the inventory reports section of Shopify. Yeah, and that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.